Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you are watching from. Today in our menu will be cooking fried rice. We are going to spice our chicken while we continue with the cooking. Guys, we put our parsley. We just put a little bit. Our curry. Guys, this you can put the quantity you want. I just put just a little bit. We put our white pepper. You can just put, if you like, half tablespoon. We put our rosemary. We go with our paprika. We go with a pinch of salt. Guys, so we stir our onion. So now I'm frying the rice together with the onion. As you can see, our rice is ready. This is our boiled water, as you can see, because we need to boil the carrots for like 2 minutes. We boil our corn also for like 5 to 6 minutes. So now I'm going to pour in the corn. Guys, this is our gizzard. I know from the beginning I didn't mention gizzard. We slice it, then we fry. This is our fried gizzard that we'll be using. Our cooked carrot, our cooked peas, the bell pepper, then our corn. Then this is our rice. We want to start the process of frying. Put our rice. We fry our rice a bit. Go with our corn, our gizzard. We go with some carrots. some peels, some bell pepper. Now we stir. As you can see, our fried rice is ready. This fried rice is very, very sweet, delicious. Guys, our chicken is ready. Next time I'll make a video how I do my chicken. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.